Question: Fleming left hand rule is used to find direction of force when a current carrying conductor is in a magnetic field. Next question: when the electrical train is moving down a hill, the DC motor acts as a DC series generator. Next question: in case of travel cranes, the motor preferred for boom hoisting is slip ring induction motor. Next question: multiplication feature are incorporated in an ohm meter to enable the meter to measure values with the least errors. Next question: in all cases, electromagnetic induction and an induced voltage will cause a current to flow in a closed circuit in such a direction that the magnetic field which is caused by the current will oppose the change that produced the current. This is original statement of Lenz's law. Next question: a house has 5 fans of 70 watt each that operate for 16 hours a day and a washing machine of 2000 volt to 2000 watt that operate for 1 hour per day in the month of June. Which is the energy consumption of the house the month of the June? Answer: 228 kilowatt hour. Question: in a synchronous motor, which loss varies with load? Answer: copper loss. Next question: in motor circuit, static frequency changer are used for what? Answer: speed regulation. Next question: according to the Fuse law of the current carrying capacity varies as diameter 1.5. Next question: changing the electrical connection to reserve the direction of rotation of a motor running at full speed is called plugging. Next question: according to the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, an EMF is induced in a conductor whenever it cuts the magnetic flux. Next question: power consumed by the balanced star connected three-phase load is measured using two wattmeter method. The phase voltage and phase current is the load in the load is 220 volt and the 10 ampere respectively. What will be the difference in reading of the two wattmeter if the power factor of system is 0.8 lagging? Answer: 2286.3 watt. Question: what is the unit of magnetic flux? Answer: Weber. Next question: in a DC machine, how are the commutating pole winding connected? Answer: in series with the shunt winding. Next question: the repulsion motor starts and runs as a repulsion motor. Next question: which wiring is prepared for workshop lighting? Answer: concealed conduct wiring. Next question: in a synchronous motor, the damping winding is generally used to prevent hunting and provide the starting torque. Next question: if the field of DC shunt motor is opened, then the speed of motor will become very high. Next question: a magnetic circuit requires 800 to produce a certain quantity of flux in a magnetic circuit. If its excitation coil has 100 turns and 5 ohm resistance, what is the voltage to be applied in exciting coil? Answer: 40 volt. Next question: calculate the power factor of an AC circuit having an impedance of 16 ohms if a 4 ampere current flow through it and its average power consumption is 200 watt. Answer: 0.7 watt. Question: a delta connected three-phase circuit has three equal resistance of 36 ohm in each phase. What is the value of per phase resistance of the equivalent star connected circuit? Answer: 12 ohm. Next question: two DC machine 500 kilowatt each are tested by Hopking testing method. What is the power input would be? Answer: 100 kilowatt. Next question: the power factor of the load using welding transformer list depend on material to be welded. Next question: as per the recommendation of ISI, the maximum number of point of lights, fans and socket that can be connected in one subcircuit is 10. Next question: if two resistance of 10 ohms and 10 ohms are connected in parallel, what is the equivalent resistance? Is answer: 5 ohm. Next question: which motor is used to drive the constant speed line shafting lathe blower and fans? Answer: DC shunt motor. Next question: the force per unit length between two stationary parallel wires carrying steady currents is inversely proportional to the separation of wires and is proportional to magnitude of each current and satisfying Newton's third law.